Well, over the weekend, a certain school in the Volta region was trending. Mawuli Senior High School. They celebrated 75 years of the existence as a school, and social media was painted yellow and green everywhere. I mean, I've not heard of Mawuli like this, like in a very long time, except like maybe the National Science and Maths quiz. But this was colorful, it was beautiful, and look at that on your screen. They had the Grand Derby on Saturday. There was a dinner also that was held, but of course, Charlie, the cars that went to the campus and all of that. So big shout to all Mawulians. Is it Jolali, right? Shout to Kiki. Yeah, Kiki of our technical team went to Mawuli. Shouts to them. So let's listen to a few of the stuff that took place at Mawuli Senior High School over the weekend.